Now let us discuss the conformation in cyclohexane. Okay, so as you know that compared to cyclopropane, cyclobutane and cyclopentane, cyclohexane is a strain-free molecules. Okay, so combustion data shows that it is a stable cyclic compounds and angle is 120 degree if it is planar, and chair conformer having a 109.5 bond angle and all hydrogen are in staggered form. So in chair conformers, there are four different conformers of the cyclohexane that we will be discussing in next slides. So in chair conformer of the cyclohexane, it is the first conformer where there is a no angle strain and no torsional strain is produced. So that's why it is a most stable conformer of the cyclohexane. जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हो, this is a ball and stick model of the cyclohexane which is called chair conformers. So it is structure is look like chair, so that's why it is called chair conformer, and all hydrogen in chair conformer are in staggered form. So all 12 hydrogen are in staggered form. So that's why chair conformer is most stable conformer of the cyclohexane. Next is boat conformers. So in boat conformer, what happen? All hydrogen are in eclipse form. So as you know that eclipse is a least stable form compared to staggered, and another reason for the stability of the Bott conformer, that is the interaction between flagpole hydrogens. Okay, so due to that, Bott conformer is a least stable form. Another form of the another conformer of the cyclohexane is a twist boat. So in twist boat, what happened? All 10 hydrogen are in uh, eclipse form, but from where बोट्स आर ट्विस्टिंग. ओके, मतलब जो कार्बन पे बोट ट्विस्ट होती है, वो कार्बन पे जो दो हाइड्रोजन है आर इन स्टैगर्ड फॉर्म. सो इन ट्विस्ट बोट व्हाट हैपन, 10 hydrogen are in eclipse form, 2 hydrogen are in staggered form. So due to that, it has a more stable conformer compared to boat form. तो हमने तीन फॉर्म देखे, चेयर फॉर्म, बोट फॉर्म एंड ट्विस्ट बोट. ये तीनों के बीच में अगर हम स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर फाइंड आउट करेंगे, सो चेयर फॉर्म दैट इज ए मोर स्टेबल, then come to twist boat and then come to boat. Now why twist boat is more stable compared to boat? Because of in twist boat what happen, 10 hydrogen are in eclipse form, जो पोजीशन पे और जो कार्बन पे बोट ट्विस्ट हो रहा है, वो कार्बन पे जो दो हाइड्रोजन है वो स्टैगर्ड फॉर्म में है, एंड बोट फॉर्म में ऑल 12 हाइड्रोजन आर इन eclipse form. So due to that, this boat is more stable. And last conformer is a half chair conformers. Okay, so in half chair conformation, what happen is all are in same plane. 5 carbon are in same plane, and this 1 carbon it is in out of the plane. So due to that, uh, all hydrogen are in eclipse form, where these all 5 carbons hydrogen are in eclipse form, and it also produce the angle strain because of the 1 carbon it is in out of the plane. So that's why it is considered as a least stable form of the cyclohexane, because it produce two kinds of the effect. One is hydrogens are in eclipse form, another is angle strain. In rest all three conformer, there is only issue with the eclipse form of the hydrogens, but in case half chair, eclipse form of the hydrogen and angle strain both are the reason, due to that it is most unstable form of the cyclohexane. So जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो conformational energy diagram, so this is a chair form, it is a highly stable, this is a half chair, so it require approximately 10 kilocalorie energy. Then come to twist boat, so it require 5.5. Then come to boat, it requires 6.9. So boat form that is require more energy compared to twist boat, that's why it is more stable compared to, sorry, least stable compared to twist boat form. So आइए देखते हैं stability order in cyclohexane. So chair form is more stable, then comes to twist boat, then come to boat, and then last is half chair. So what are the reason behind that? That I already explained to